The number one thing currently that I've enjoyed the most about Drone Command has been learning about the marketing. This is day one for myself, and just basically how marketing has been perceived. That kind of changed my whole thought process. One of the reasons I joined Drone Command, I've been thinking about getting a drone, starting my own business for a long time, and it just kind of popped up in one of my social feeds, and it was a no brainer for myself. After reading up on Diego and the Drone Boss a little bit prior to finally signing up, I saw a lot of things that did catch my attention and that they were legit individuals. So far, it's been fun, very interactive, in an interactive class. Anybody who's on the fence, I can actually say I did come, with a few downers. I didn't think it was going to be as good as it was, but so far so good. Hi, my name is Leo Arguello. This is the second day of the Drone Command. It has been a wonderful experience so far. Overloading on information, but great information. We're getting the sauce that we need, diamond bits, everything that I did not expect that I was actually going to get from this. Um, it's been an incredible event, especially the misconceptions that we've gotten of how to do marketing. Um, One of the my favorite things that I learned so far yesterday, on the day two, was the headliners. How to do the headlines, um, what to ask, what is it that the customer wants, not what I think is actually correct. Just in general, everything has been amazing. I'm a single father with two kids, so it makes it extremely hard. Both days, woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning, headed into work, got out at 10:30, rushed home so I could just get to the videos. And yesterday was even worse, because did it again. That was Thursday, and then Friday did it again. Woke up at 4 a.m., worked all the way to 10:30 a.m., and started at 11 to do the drone command, and it's been overloading in information. My mind is blown. I'm trying to captivate everything that I'm hearing, but it's a little bit harder than I thought. Been exhausted, but like there's so much information, great information that just keeps me there. I'm not falling asleep. I'm not bored out of my mind. Diego and the drone boss have been amazing to keep us there and keep us engaged. So it's been a great experience so far. I can't wait for today, day three, to start. Luckily, I didn't have to work last night, so I am up and going, and I am ready to go. Uh, but yeah, so far it's been great, and the team has been great. The drone command team, Gino, everybody, Shannon, just helping us out. So can't wait to start the next one coming up last day. And from my understanding, there's even more information. Good evening. It's day three of the drone command. A lot of information. It's been amazing. Uh, every day, just it surprises me more and more, when I think how much more can they give you? And Diego and Damon have provided much more than I thought I was going to get, in this webinar. Uh, Extremely grateful. Uh, just love the marketing part of it. From beginning to end, from day one to now, my brain is overloaded. Damon's skills with the drones, it's just a lot more amazing than I actually thought it was ever going to be. Um, just great opportunity. I'm so happy I'm here. Just a great opportunity. Just thankful. Thank you.